What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to customize your YouTube channel URL without any stress. All you have to do is to watch step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. Right here, you can see that my URL here is not a custom one. So I'm going to teach you how you can set it so that it's bear your channel name without any stress. So without wasting much of our time, let's dip into the tutorial and see how you can customize your YouTube channel URL. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to come to the channel icon right here. Alright, then navigate to YouTube Studio. Alright guys, so from YouTube Studio, that is where everything needs to be set up. Right here, you have to come down here and look for customization right here. So click on customization. Alright guys, so from customization, you have to navigate to basic info. Click on basic info. Okay, so it takes you right here. So this is where you have to set your custom URL. Just scroll down. Okay, so at this point here, this is where you have to set your custom URL. All you have to do is to click on set a custom URL for your channel. So when you click on that, then it's open up different option right here. So you can see there are two options to do in this category. Give your fans an easy to remember web address for your channel. This simply means that each time people type in the name of the channel on YouTube, it pump up straight up. So this is first option. This is recommended by YouTube. So if you're not satisfied with the one recommended by YouTube, you can click on the second option and enter whatever you want to enter on your in your custom URL address. But as for me, I'm still satisfied with this custom setup by YouTube, so which simply means that youtube.com/c/excelgraphics and multimedia. But you need to be sure that your name is you are okay with the name. You don't want to change the name, because once you set your custom URL, you will not be able to change the name any longer. So when you are able to set your custom URL at this point here, you have to come here and click on published. Right here, you're going to see the option. Once a custom URL is set, it can be changed or transferred to a different channel. Your custom URL is ready to set, which is this. Then just click on confirm. So with that, YouTube is going to approve your custom URL application. So when you are done, finally, you can come here, and then when you publish, you can click on view channel. So click on view channel. Right here, you can see now that my URL has been fully changed to www.youtube.com/c/excelgraphics and multimedia. So guys, this is how you change your YouTube URL. This is how you customize your YouTube URL in your channel name step by step without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the video from beginning to the end, and I'm sure you're going to get it. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.